Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this lecture we discuss about how to mass transfer the record to another user. Let's say I have an opportunity object. Okay. In this opportunity object there are 31 items are there and whose opportunity owner is Salesforce flow. Okay. And I want to mass transfer the owner to another user. How to do this? So to do this we have an screen flow. Let's create an screen flow to transfer the mass record, okay, as to another user. Okay, so to do this please go to setup. After this search for flow in the quick find file, search flow and click on this flow. Click to new flow, start from scratch and click create. Search for click next and then create. Okay, go to screen flow, just select this, label it in mass transfer, records, and make just search lookup relationship, select this, and in the lookup that is new owner. Okay, new owner, field APN that is created by ID, label mass transfer to new record, new owner. Okay. Object APN this way opportunity, I have an opportunity. Okay, and record is equal to true. Okay, click done. After this I want to update the record. Okay, update the owner record, update owner. Okay, update owner records and specify conditions. Which one I have to update? That is opportunity. अब जो अपॉर्चुनिटी के जो ओनर आईडी है उसी को तो अपडेट कराना है, किसी और यूजर जो सेलेक्ट किया होगा. ओके, मैंने गया यहाँ पर ओनर आईडी, यूजर जो यूजर होगा उस यूजर की आईडी जो होगी यही होगी ना, जो करंट की. किससे अपडेट कराना है? ओनर आईडी को ही अपडेट कराना है. किस पर? अब जो नया सिलेक्शन जो यूज़र करेगा, रिकॉर्ड आईडी. ओके, ठीक है. एंड जब ये सारा चीज़ें हो जाएगा, जब सारा अपडेट हो जाएगा, देन एक स्क्रीन फ्लो बनाना है, मैसेज डिस्प्ले. ओके, मैसेज डिस्प्ले. ओके, टेक्स्ट डिस्प्ले, टेक्स्ट मैसेज records are transferred. Okay, and select this, make it bold, 18, this one, and just select this. Okay, click done. Not this, change to something yellow. Okay, click done. Okay, records are transferred. Okay, just save this. Last transfer records, must transfer records. Okay, then activate this. Okay, so to check this, go to home tab, just add the component which you want, which you have recently created, the component that is mass transfer record. So search flow, select this and paste it in this, change the account information to mass transfer record, just save this. After that go back. Okay, let's test this whether it's working fine or not. Okay, so I have 31 items in the opportunity object and I want that these are to be transferred to Ashutosh. Okay, Ashutosh user. So when I click on this, this is Asutosh, this Salesforce flow, which I've currently occupied, but I want to change the owner to something else, owner, user. So that is Asutosh. When I select this, click next. Okay, records are transferred. Okay, click finish. Okay, after this, let's check whether its records are transferred or not. See here, Ashutosh, these are transferred. See, firstly it was Salesforce, but after this, when I go to screen flow and change this, after executing, these are like transfer records are transferred to Ashutosh. Okay, this is how you can do like this. Okay, I hope you will like this video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the future updates. And if you have query, please write down in the comment section. Thank you guys.